The shape of the meatball, which is more like a firecracker or locally known as mercon, is unique and different from the shape of meatballs in general. In accordance with each shape, the dish is named Bakso Mercon or firecracker meatballs. Apart from its shape, the firecracker became the inspiration for its name because there is a spicy surprise in the filling. Mona, the creator, also creates a variety of other meatball shapes with different flavors and fillings. Besides selling some unique meatball soup, the place is famous because the price is affordable, which is only 25,000 rupiah for each portion.
Baksonya enak, porsinya juga gede, ya. Harganya juga lumayan ya. Terus pedas banget, rasanya itu kayak di mulut bener-bener greget.
Mona, who previously worked as a vegetable trader for 10 years, took the initiative to become a meatball soup seller after her income decreased during the COVID-19 pandemic. But thanks to her tenacity and creativity in creating a variety of meatballs, she is able to earn a turnover of 2.5 million per day.
Asal mula saya penjual sayur udah 10 tahun di Bangka ini. Tapi karena ada pandemi, jadi saya perdagangan sayur aku sepi. Aku buka ide gimana aku kalau jualan bakso. Tapi jualan baksonya lain daripada yang lain. Tapi alhamdulillah semenjak ada bakso beranak, bakso mercon dan bakso kelapa ini makin meningkat.
As an entrepreneur, the COVID-19 pandemic may have a major impact on Mona's income. However, as a human who is able to adapt well, she managed to turn the wheel of fate and become successful thanks to her meatball soup place on the roadside of Kaca Village, Bangka Regency. See Today contributor reporting from Bangka Belitung.